My name is Jeffrey Jones. I'm a Marine Corps veteran of 5 years. I was an aviation mechanic, and I fell in love with just working with my hands. I knew I never wanted to go back to a classroom. A lot of veterans, when we get out, we're 23, 24 years old, and that's at the youngest. And then putting us back into a classroom setting that we haven't been in since high school, we don't have a network of people, so we're there and we're by ourselves. After I got out, I knew I wanted to do something with my hands, so I knew I needed to either go to a technical school or go straight into the workforce. I just needed to get the ball rolling on doing something. So as soon as I saw this place, I was like, this actually sounds like a really good opportunity. And I immediately fell in love with the atmosphere. The instructors here are amazing. It just became one of those times where I really felt like I was at home the same way I was with my unit. We do have a lot of teachers that are veterans. A lot of them truly take pride in what they're doing. They teach us the fastest way to make sure we diagnose the problem and make sure the system is going to work as long as possible. In the HVAC field, you want to get the job done. You want to make sure their AC is working right, their heating working right, you got the right humidity levels in the house. You also want to make sure you get it done quickly. This opens up so many doors. You have people that go into so many different sides of HVAC. People that just are selling it, people that will go into residential, go into commercial buildings, or they work with just chillers for like huge office buildings. They're truly passionate about what they do here.